This is Professor Derek Seitz. This video shows how to calculate the minimum sample size needed to estimate a proportion. There are three fields that are blue that you have to enter information into. The level of confidence, C in this example, 95%. The margin of error, here it's 0.01. P hat, which is the sample proportion. And if there's no preliminary sample taken, then use 0.5 for P hat. Q hat, everything else now is automatically calculated. Q hat is the complement of P hat. Remember, the P hat is the sample proportion. Level of significance, the complement of the level of confidence. The Z critical value here uses the norm inverse of B5 divided by 2. B5 is the level of significance divided by 2 to give you one tail. And then 0 and 1 are the mean and standard deviation of the standard normal distribution. And 3 goes with the rounding. We're going to round this thing, and there's a minus sign in there so that we get our critical value on the right side, as it's expected. The formula for the minimum sample size is here. It's B3, which is P hat, times B4, which is Q hat, and then that's time B6, critical value, divided by B2, the margin of error, that quantity, that ratio squared. And a minimum sample size has to be a whole number, so the next cell rounds up. In order for this to be valid, two criteria must be met. The criteria checks are down here. NP hat must be greater than or equal to 5, and NQ hat also must be greater than or equal to 5.